Hey guys, y'all like brownies? Do you like drinking? Well, let me introduce you to Guinness Brownies, okay? We bring the two together, and trust me, this is good. Guinness. In our pan, cook that bad boy, okay? Now, after you add in some butter, then some chocolate chips. Trust me, Guinness never had all of this in mind. Stir, 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 okay? Sugar, vanilla extract, eggs, okay? More eggs. Now we can get that all whipped up together. Beautiful. Pour in that nice Guinness mix. Stir, 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 stir. Add some flour. You see what we're doing here? We baking, boys. Okay, now you get your little tray, your little foil paper. Put that bad boy in there. Okay. Put that in the oven, right? And now we break that out. Cut it up. Put a little whipped cream on top. And there you have it. Trust me, that one's delicious. Gotta give that a try. Stay tipsy.